Welcome to Story Today. The epic tale of Lord Rama, as depicted in the ancient Indian scripture, the Ramayana, transcends its mythological origins to offer profound insights into leadership. Rooted in principles of integrity, selflessness, courage, compassion, and vision, Rama's journey embodies timeless lessons for leaders across cultures and generations. As we delve into the narrative of Rama's life, we discover a rich tapestry of virtues that not only shaped him as a noble ruler but also serve as an enduring guide for leaders navigating the complexities of today's world. Lord Rama's story inspires leadership qualities in several ways. Integrity and righteousness. Rama is known for upholding dharma, righteousness, in every aspect of his life, even in the face of adversity. His unwavering commitment to truth and justice sets an example for leaders to prioritize integrity in their actions and decisions. Selflessness and sacrifice. Rama willingly accepts exile to honor his father's promise, putting the well-being of his kingdom and family above his own desires. This selfless act demonstrates a leader's willingness to make personal sacrifices for the greater good of their community or organization. Courage and resilience. Throughout his journey, Rama faces numerous challenges and obstacles with courage and resilience. His ability to remain steadfast in the face of adversity inspires leaders to confront difficulties head-on and persevere in their pursuits, despite setbacks or hardships. Compassion and empathy. Rama's compassion towards his subjects, allies, and even adversaries, such as his forgiveness towards the repentant Vibhishana, exemplifies empathetic leadership. Leaders can learn from Rama's ability to understand and connect with the emotions and needs of those around him. Vision and strategic thinking. Rama's ultimate goal of upholding dharma and establishing a just and prosperous kingdom reflects visionary leadership. His strategic planning, such as forming alliances and organizing resources, demonstrates the importance of foresight and planning in effective leadership. In essence, Lord Rama's story serves as a timeless guide for leaders, inspiring them to embody qualities such as integrity, selflessness, courage, compassion, and vision in their leadership roles. Thanks for watching Story Today. Please like, share and do subscribe for more real-life inspiring stories.